Good day, Youtubies. Another day out with the Mavic Air. It's still freezing up here and windy, gale force winds. The batteries on the Mavic, even though I've got 3, they're barely lasting 10 minutes each because they're forever, you know, correcting in the wind. Here's my trail today. Lucky I've got the Hyundai Santa Fe 4-wheel drive. Actually, I should. Yeah, burned a couple of trails in this now. It's the 3rd one I've had. Pretty decent. Got a cracking sunset going on in the background, but it's just too cold. Too cold, too windy. So I'm calling it a day again, heading back.